Watch the video carefully and answer the questions asked at the end. You can check your understanding by answering the questions asked at the end of the video. So, without wasting any time, let's start the video. My city. I live in a city named Greenville. It's a bustling place with a vibrant atmosphere. The streets are lined with tall buildings and colorful shops. People of diverse backgrounds and cultures call this city home. Each day, the city comes alive with the sounds of traffic, laughter, and chatter. Greenville has numerous parks and green spaces where families gather to relax and play. The local government takes pride in maintaining these recreational areas. The city also boasts a modern public transportation system that helps people move around conveniently. There are many schools and universities in Greenville, providing quality education to the young population. Students here have access to various extracurricular activities and sports, fostering an environment of growth and learning. Restaurants and cafes abound, offering a wide range of cuisines from around the world. It's a food lover's paradise. Whether you crave pizza, sushi, or spicy Indian dishes, Greenville has it all. Community events and festivals are a common sight in this city. They bring people together, creating a sense of unity and celebration. The local art scene is thriving, with galleries and theaters showcasing talented artists and performers. Greenville's climate is temperate, with distinct seasons. Winters are cold, but snow is a rare treat. Spring brings blooming flowers and mild temperatures, while summers can be hot and sunny. Fall showcases a stunning array of colors as the leaves change. Safety is a priority in Greenville, and the police and emergency services are quick to respond to any situation. The community looks out for one another, making it a welcoming and secure place to live. Overall, Greenville is a city of opportunities and diversity. It offers a balanced blend of urban living and natural beauty, making it a wonderful place to call home. Check your comprehension. Question 1. What kind of recreational spaces does Greenville offer to its residents?
Answer. Greenville offers numerous parks and green spaces where families gather to relax and play.
Question 2. What is the local art scene like in Greenville? Answer. The local art scene in Greenville is thriving, with galleries and theaters showcasing talented artists and performers. Question 3. How would you describe the climate in Greenville? Answer. Greenville has a temperate climate with distinct seasons. Winters are cold, but snow is rare. Spring brings blooming flowers and mild temperatures, while summers can be hot and sunny. Fall showcases a stunning array of colors as the leaves change. Question 4. What does the city of Greenville pride itself on maintaining? Answer. The city of Greenville prides itself on maintaining a modern public transportation system that helps people move around conveniently. Question 5. What can food enthusiasts expect to find in Greenville? Answer. Food enthusiasts can expect a wide range of cuisines from around the world in Greenville, as the city offers a variety of restaurants and cafes with dishes such as pizza, sushi, and spicy Indian cuisine.